Now turn to part 1.
Part 1.
You will hear a conversation between James and Riverside Club. James wants to join the gym, is interested in Riverside Club, and plans to visit on Wednesday to tour and discuss membership options. First, you'll have some time to look at questions 1 to 10. Now listen carefully and answer questions 1 to 10.
Hello?
Hello, is that the Riverside Club?
Yes, that's right.
I've seen your advert about joining the club, and I'd like to find out a bit more before I join.
Yes, of course. I'll just take a few details first of all. Can I take your name?
It's Margaret.
Margaret. And your surname?
It's O'Donnell.
Is that spelt with a double N?
No, just one. It's a double L at the end. It is O'Donnell.
Okay, and can I take a contact number?
Yes, my mobile is 078 6625 4932.
Great, thanks. And do you have an email address?
Yes, it's margaret.o'donnell@mail.com.
Great, thanks very much. Now, have you been a member of a gym before?
No, I haven't.
Okay, so let me tell you a bit about what we offer. So obviously you can use the gym, but we also have a lot of classes you can join. We have spinning, yoga, Pilates, and a lot more.
That sounds great.
And we also have a swimming pool and a sauna and steam room.
Oh, I love swimming.
We have a full range of equipment, including free weights, exercise bikes, rowing machines, and treadmills.
Do you have personal trainers?
Yes, we do. You can book a session with a personal trainer when you join, and they will show you how to use all the equipment.
That sounds very good.
And we also offer a fitness test when you join, which is free.
Oh, what does that involve?
Well, it's a series of exercises to measure your fitness level. It takes about an hour.
Okay, and what about the cost?
Well, there are a few options. The monthly membership is £50, and you can cancel it at any time.
Okay.
Or you can pay annually, and that's £500.
Okay, so that's £100 cheaper than paying monthly.
Yes, that's right.
And what are the opening times?
We're open from 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. on weekdays and 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. at weekends.
Okay, and where are you located?
We're on Riverside Road. Do you know it?
Yes, I think so.
We're on the corner of Riverside Road and Green Street. We're opposite the cinema.
Okay, I know it. It's quite near my house.
So, would you like to come and have a look around the gym?
Yes, I'd love to.
Okay, can you come on Wednesday? We have a tour at 5 p.m.
I'm afraid I can't make that time. I don't finish work until 5:30. Is there a later tour?
Yes, we have another tour at 6 p.m.
Okay, I can come then. What do I need to bring?
You just need to bring some ID, like your driving license or passport.
Okay, and what about gym clothes?
No, you won't need them for the tour, but if you decide to join, you can start using the gym straight away, so you might like to bring some clothes then.
Okay, great. Thanks very much. I'll see you on Wednesday.
Okay, see you then. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
That is the end of part 1. You now have 30 seconds to check your answers to part 1.